Okay guys, welcome to this revision video looking at a mixture of different topics that's appropriate for your papers 1, 2 and 3, but of course at the time of recording this will be appropriate for your paper 3 for GCSE maths, both higher and for foundation, for AQA, Edexcel and OCR. Okay, and also your international exam boards such as IGC, CIE, WJEC, okay, CIE exam boards as well, okay, and all other appropriate exam boards for GCSE level maths. Okay, as ever guys, please feel free to obviously pause the video, try the questions yourselves and then press play when you're ready. Okay, first question, expand this double bracket, part A. So we do 3x times x, which is 3x squared. We then do 3x times 2, which is going to be 6x, so 3x squared plus 6x. Then we do 2 times x, which is going to be just positive 2x. And then 2 times 2, which is positive 4. Okay, plus 4. Okay, combining your like terms, I get 3x squared plus 8x plus 4, because 6x plus 2x simplify to 8x, guys. So 3x squared plus 8x plus 4, guys. Okay, and it should be a 2 there above the x squared, guys. Should be a 2 there. Let's just write it again a bit more neater. So it's 3x squared, 3x squared. Okay, for that one. Next one, factorize this quadratic expression. So it's a double bracket because I've got 3 terms. Okay, x and x go in both. Okay, I want 2 numbers that add to give me positive 9 and the same 2 numbers multiplied to give me positive 14. The factors of 14 are 1 and 14 and 2 and 7. Okay, 1 and 14 and 2 and 7. Well, 2 plus 7 is 9 and 2 times 7 is equal to 9. Okay, so it's x plus 2, okay, times x plus 9. Okay, for that question. Next question, John has 78 pence, Nat has £3.52. Nat gives John some money so that they both have the same amount of money. How much does Nat give John? Okay, so if we work out the current difference between £3.52, okay, so £3.52 subtract 78 pence is £2.74. Okay, that's the difference. Okay, now if I was to half that, okay, to divide it by 2, so £2.74 divided by 2 is £1.37. So let's just double check, okay, see if we're on the right lines here. Okay, so if I was to take £1.37 from Nat, okay, I would get £3.52 minus £1.37, and I get £2.15. Okay, and if I do 78 pence, add £1.37. I also get £2.15. Okay, so Nat gives John £1.37. Okay, so I worked out the difference between 78 pence and £3.52, and I got £2.74 on my calculator. I then halved it because that's going to tell me how much to take off Nat, okay, to give to John, and John will also increase by £1.37, giving the same answer, okay, for both of them as £2.15. Okay, so Nat gave John £1.37. Okay, next question. Write the number of left-handed girls to the right-handed girls as a ratio in its simplest form. So left-handed is going to be 8. 8 to 20. Okay, dividing both numbers by 4, I get 2 to 5. Okay, dividing each ratio part by 4, because 4 is the highest common factor, okay, of 8 and 20. Okay, so divide it by 4, okay, for that one. Okay, right guys, this question here, AB is a straight line, work out the size of angle X. Well, angles on a straight line add up to 180, so 27 plus 41, okay, 7 plus 1 is 8, 2 plus 4 is 6, 180 take away 68, well 180 take away 70, okay, is going to be 110, but we're taking away 68 here, so we're going to add on 2 more, so it'll be 112, okay, but we can double check our answer using column subtraction. 0 take away 8 I can't do, so I have to borrow, that becomes a 7, that becomes a 1, 10 take away 8 is 2, 7 take away 6 is 1, and 1 take away nothing is 1, so it's going to be 112, okay, degrees. Okay, next question. 4 numbers have a median of 6 and a mean of 7 and a range of 8. What could they be? Okay, so I've got 4 numbers here. Okay, the middle number has to give me 6. Now, because it's 4 numbers, the only way to make 6 here is if it's both 6 in the middle, or if it's 5 and then 7. Okay, so either way, yeah, it should be fine. So let's just put 5 and a 7 there. Okay. The range needs to be 8. That means the biggest number, take away the smallest number, needs to be 8. So, but the mean has to be 7. So when I add them over here and divide it by 4, I should get 7. So the total needs to be 28, guys. Okay, for this to fit correctly. Okay, so 5 plus 7 is 12. Okay, and I need to add on 16 more, but I've got to split that between the smallest and the biggest number. Okay, and the range has to be equal to 8. So, thinking about this, okay, so 12 add 16 is 28. So let's say I put 10 there and 6 there, that'll be in the mean range, will be 4. If I put in 1 here, okay, that's got to be 9. Okay, so we are wanting some slightly bigger numbers. If that was 2 there, that would be 10. Okay, if that was 3 there, that would have to be 11. Okay, which does give us 14. Okay, so 3 and 11. Okay, and if I just check by adding my answers together, okay, it should be an 11 there, guys, not a 4, sorry. So 5 add 7 is 12, and then I'm going to be adding on 14. Okay, that will give us 26. Okay, so we are nearly there, not quite. Okay, the next number up would have to be 4. And that would have to be 12. Okay, and that gives us the correct answer, because 4 add 12 is 16. 16 add 12 is 28. 28 divided by 4 is 7. Okay, the range is the biggest take away the smallest, so 12 take away 4 is 8. The median, if I cross them out and I look for the number in between these two numbers, 5 plus 7 is 12. Divide that by 2 gives me the answer of 6. Okay, so 6 is the median for that. Okay. Right, guys, next question. Okay, ABE and CBD are straight lines. Prove that one angle in ABC is not acute. Okay, so vertically opposite angles are equal. So therefore, if that's 30, that has to be 30 as well. Right, to work out the value of x, angles in a triangle add up to 180. So it's going to be 2x plus 3x plus 30 has to equal 180. Well, 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x. Plus that 30 has to equal 180. Okay, because angles in a triangle have to make 180. Okay, subtracting 30 on both sides of my equation, I get 5x is equal to 150. Dividing both sides by 5, we get that x is equal to 30. Okay, so if I sub that in, okay, here I get 3 times 30, which is 90. Okay, 90 is not acute, so I've now proved that statement there. Okay, so one angle here is not acute, so angle C is not acute, or angle ACB is not acute. Okay, and 2 lots of 30 is going to be 60. Okay, so angle A and angle B are acute, but angle C isn't. Okay, so angle C is not acute. Okay, and that's one angle in the triangle ABC. Okay, right, guys, next question. 3 straight lines are shown. Work out the value of x. Well, using the vertically opposite rules, that's going to equal to 2x plus 15. Okay, and then I can say that these two angles are corresponding because it's got that F shape there. If you can see it, we've got like an F shape there. So we've got 3x minus 38 is equal to 2x plus 15. Okay, subtracting 2x on both sides, okay, I get x take away 38 is equal to 15. Okay, adding 38 to both sides gives me the value of x. So 15 plus 38. Well, 5 plus 8 is 13. Carry the 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Add the 1 is equal to 5. So x is equal to 53, guys. Degrees. Okay, so x equal to 53 degrees. Okay, last question, guys, for today's video. Okay, the amount of red beads to the blue beads on a necklace, okay, are 3 to 12. What is the percentage of the red beads? Well, it's 3 out of 15 times 100. Okay, now 3/15 actually simplifies to 1/5, so it's 1/5 times 100. Okay, because to turn a fraction into a percentage, I times it by 100. Okay, so 3/15 simplifies to 1/5. 1/5 multiplied by 100. Okay, so I do 100 divided by 5, which is 20, and then stick my percentage sign on. Okay. Okay, so make sure that you are happy with that. Okay, but again, that may or may not appear on a calculator paper or or non-calculator. Okay, so either way, okay, make sure that you're happy with that. Okay, right, guys, that's the end of today's short, sharp video. Okay, I sincerely hope you found it useful. If you did, please press like, please subscribe to the channel if you're new, and lastly, please click that bell icon so you don't miss out on further videos and further uploads. And lastly, please do comment below any topic requests for your upcoming paper 3 exam on Monday. Okay, and I'll try my best to obviously do that topic. Okay, but that's it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck in your exams, okay, and good luck in your paper 3 maths exam, okay, and I'll see you for the next one. Okay, bye for now.